little bit late, but I'm here. Oh, how's everybody doing? Okay, I guess we're gonna go through it now and I'm gonna see how the charts were yesterday. I'm gonna be sad. Good morning to a boring Friday with bank holiday in USA. You never know. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. You never know. What if it's actually amazing? Hear me out. Okay, what if I'm trying to be positive because yesterday it looks like I missed some really good stuff. Let's see. Did I? No. No, I didn't. Never mind, maybe I didn't miss great stuff. I'm gonna have to quickly go through everything. What's up, Jackie? How are we doing? Good morning. Hey, David. Good morning. Sorry, I'm low-key a little bit disorganized with my life today, but that's okay. Sup up, Dad. Sup. I think I tried to say what's up, Daz, and I said sup up. Anyways, what's up, Daz? How are you doing? How's everyone doing? How was yesterday's session? So I'm just quickly I say I'm quickly watching. I'm looking to see what I missed. I mean, I can now get rid of this, that, not that. That, not that. Okay. And that. Let's then see. Hello. What's up, Atlanta? How you doing? Okay. Ta-da! We're then ready to rock and roll. Hopefully the Wi-Fi plays ball today. Unlike yesterday. Hey, oh wait, Rumbo. Aww, Shaki. Atlanta, you better start calling Shaki Boo now because I'm sad. Shaki Boo low-key works in a weird way. Okay, so previous day high. Do 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 do. Okay, Asia high. Okay, and this is actually technically the opening range. I'm gonna just change the style of this one. Okay. Asia low has been taken. This is the next low. Okay. I guess that's everything. A little bit weird, but yeah. I feel like I missed some good stuff yesterday, but it's fine. Jack is no. I'll be ready about that today. Break or reject. We will see. Okay, thanks, Moonshine. Shoot hardy does. Right. Last two things I want to mark out quickly. New daily opening gap. Around there, it's good. And midnight. Where midnight at? Oh damn, it's all the way down here. Okay then. Alrighty. Alrighty, right. Why am I doing that? Midnight magnet. Okay, people. Looks like we're ready to rumble. You made me some big money by mistake yesterday. How? I don't know how I made you anything, but hello. I'm happy if I helped in any weird way. Okay, let's do the new daily. Let's do the top to bottom analysis quick stick. So on the daily, what have we got? Drumroll, please. Can you tell it's Friday? English has left building. There's nothing left. Okay, so we took that now to see if we're gonna head for the highs or if we're gonna continue back down or if we're just gonna go sideways. Either we're headed for the highs or we're headed for the lows. But there's no fair value gaps. There's no imbalances. There's only liquidity on the daily. That's a little bit of a lie. Here's a bit of a gappy gap, but that's if it takes out the sell side liquidity. Force me to look at the computer on the right hand. Yeah. You're welcome then, Atlanta. Okay. So that was the daily. Now let's check 4 hour. Ugh. You have a little bit of an imbalance there. We are below VWAP. We do have that buy side liquidity. Are you okay? You're breathing like life is just oh so difficult. Yeah, okay, she'll be fine. She will be fine. Dude, 1 hour. At least she spoke up. That's all I'm gonna say. Yeah, at least she spoke up. Yeah, guys, it is. Let me double check. It is Mental Health Awareness Month, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, I lie. It's not. October is Mental Health Awareness Month. July is Mental Illness Awareness Month? I'm now confused. Okay, anyways. I thought it was this month. I lied. How do you just make up a whole mental awareness month? Short now for a while. I was holding them longer than to yesterday's high. CVP, if you don't like how that video is, pop into my profile. You'll see there's 2 live streams. There's one horizontal and one vertical. You can pick whichever you prefer. $15. The markets will close early today for holiday. Yeah, they do and don't impact me. I mean, the fact that it's closing early does obviously mean that I don't think a lot of people will be trading, so this might be a sideways day. The reason I say it doesn't impact me is because it closes at 12. It's either 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. EST time. I'm normally done by 11 p.m. EST time, so yeah. Let's see anything else. Okay, October is when the revolution. Okay. Demonte, when's my birthday? In December. Why? Are you planning a surprise birthday party? I'm kidding. Or am I? Sorry, the weirdness is happening already today. This is gonna be entertaining. Give your date of birth and place of birth. I want to check marriage compatibility. That was terrifying. You don't have to wait for me a month to say something. People who train at higher rates of depression than the average person that doesn't. Really? Shaki, that's interesting. I didn't know that. Is it because of all the, like, genuine... Do you think it's because of all the self-isolation? Or do you think it's the stress? Or do you think it's kind of everything put together? Might be everything put together. Tap there. Okay. Then see what we get, people. And meow. We're in, I think. Okay. Sorry, that's my face at the open. Let's see what we get. I might do something. You were a Valentine's baby, yeah. Yeah. That was actually a problem to guys, can I tell you so, like, something in my coffee. I think I got it. I got it. Can I tell you some random facts? Okay. So I had an aunt that I never met because she died when she was 18, so obviously, you know, I was not born. I was born, I think, 2 weeks late. I was also born... This sounds really bad, but yeah, I was actually born on her death date. That sounds really bad. But yeah, I was born on her anniversary. We can call it that. And right before I was born, my heart stopped. I am the problem. Rules. CVP, you're late. What do you mean you're late? Make sure you're not pregnant. It's from all the swings from dopamine hits in the stress industry. Self-burn for hours and every day. You can't tell me that not healthy or good for the brain over extended periods of time. No, that's valid. Your exact range is holding. Nice, Moonshine. I'm gonna have a look now. Sorry. You tell me these things in the beginning before I've marked anything out, so that my brain is not focusing on that yet. What's up, Debbie? How you doing? Oh, thank you, Shaki. Sorry, I didn't see that message clearly. Did you reincarnated? I don't think so. I just thought it was super fascinating because I only found out that I was born on her anniversary. I'm just gonna keep calling it an anniversary. Last year. I had no idea. My mom never told me. My gran actually mentioned it last year and I was like, what? What's up, Dara? How you doing? Ah. 306. David G, what's the topic? I don't want to say because it's so weird. It's such a random topic. It's stuck on VWAP, Moonshine. Where did you say your levels were, and where did you get your levels from? It's important to have a community like this where people can talk and socialize and have some laughs. Just came back. Okay, so David, sweet and simply, we're talking about my birthday. But my literal birth day. But you, Shaki, I think what you've just said there kind of hits the nail on the head. Okay, as we have all experienced, I'm sure. Well, as I have, because obviously I'm here online, so naturally I get a lot of it. But you guys have then, I guess, experienced through, if not personally, you have experienced how mean some traders can actually be, like unnecessarily so. It's just it baffles my brain, because at the end of the day, as traders, we are all headed towards the same goal, right? And you would think, I guess not everyone's nice people, you would think that everyone wants to try and help each other. No, good grief. Anyways, point of that is that this is what I want the community to be. You know, I want the community to be a place, wow, I'm malfunctioning today. Anyways, I want the community to be a place where people can come together and laugh and talk and maybe distract themselves for a little bit and then talk about charts and, you know, maybe get different ideas from different people. Maybe help someone out, you know. I think, to me, that's important because, like we've said, this is not easy. Like you said, mental health in traders as well is a very big thing, and it's because you feel very lonely doing this. You do. You feel very alone, and when it feels like it's going wrong, it feels like it's only happening to you. We all know that's a lie. It happens to everyone. But to feel alone in that time really, really sucks. Sorry, you got me on a bit of a rant. Now you know I can talk and talk and talk and talk and talk and talk and talk about this. Hey Gabriel, what sport did I practice in high school? Depends. I mean, I've been horse riding since I was 3 years old. In high school, I had to kind of do everything. So I was in a very tiny school, so we had to do everything. So I did netball, hockey, athletics. And then when I moved from the small high school to a big high school, I just did horse riding. I got to just do horse riding. It was awesome. Aww. CVP? CVP, where you from? What's up, Boom? Oh, this is so cute. You need an award for this speech. Thank you. Thank you. Trade is the key. Did I miss the speech? You did, Boom. You missed the speech. Buy up the whoop whoop for that speech. Okay, I'll do it. That seems a little bit arrogant of me, but you requested, so I received. No. You requested, so you received. Okay. Is anyone in on a trade yet? Moonshine, I know Moonshine, you are, right? Anyone else got a trade? 576 of the nuts. Hold or break. Okay, let's see. This looks like it might be holding, Moonshine. I feel like people are trying to steal your info. Birthday. Birth, what next? Mother's maiden name. Yeah, honestly, do you guys want like my ID number? Do you want to know, I don't know, my middle name? Maya, can you play that game with horses? Also, why do they do the one with horses in a pool? Can you play that game with horses? What game with horses? Also, why do they do that one with horses in a pool? That diving thing with horses? That's weird. I don't agree with that. Must have been a long speech. Hey, Boom. Be nice. ZVP, you're from India. Awesome. And how long have you been trading? You bought in at 406. Damn, how long have you been in this trade? I try when you're where I have blue lines go long. Okay. You can call me Ramsey. Like Gordon Ramsay. Bamsey? Bamsey. Ramsey, Bamsey. Bamsey, got it. Asia was bad, but I'm barely green again. Still green though, Shaki. I think that's important. I'm having a red week, to be fair. It feels like I'm having a flipping red month, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We'll be fine. We've got this. A bit too long, but long, yes. Polo. Oh, Shaki. No, I don't play polo. No, no, no. I'm a show jumper. So I do these stuff. I also did eventing. I'll quickly show you. I do this. I jump colorful sticks. That's basically it. Fine, I'll be nice for today. Will you? Will you? I don't know, Boom. Will you really? Okay. Moonshine still struggling. 576 is still holding down the fort. Let's see. Hey Ethan, how you doing? Long time no see. Do you see yourself doing something else besides trading and riding horses? What do you mean? Like... What do you mean? I take my dog for walks. Does that count? I don't know why that sounds criminal high. Really good. I moved into a new luxury house. Damn, aren't you a cool kid? Sure counts, and yes, I'm winning. I mean, I do have fun going to karaoke and stuff, but that's not really... What about eating food? I feel like eating food counts. Yeah, she's going to be a super auntie one day. That's her future. Heck yeah. Yeah, sure, it takes time to put millions of dollars in. Maybe working at an office? Oh, I don't think I'd be able to work at an office, guys. Ironically. I say that because obviously, yeah, I sit behind a desk. But that's different. It's sitting behind a desk for me. I've never been a sit behind a desk person. I can't do it. I'm more of an outdoor person, training people person. Here we go. Moonshine, really, really, really good call there. Well done. Wait, what did you use again? Let me see. LVN in a fair value gap. Damn, okay. Can you hit 10% day? Probably not. Oh, bye, Boom. Boom, are you leaving? What's wrong? What happened? Why are you angry? It's too early in the morning to be angry. And it's Friday, guys. Happy Friday. I keep forgetting it's Friday. Friday, Friday. Gotta do a hop on Friday. What's up, OTT? Can we do cocoon of the day? Okay. Let's see, now into the bob level. Let's see what we get. Drum roll. 316. Wait, Moonshine, you said you headed to the high, like Asia high at 704, or this high here at 620? Or just below, but around 620. Because there's a lot of liquidity on the way up, but yeah. OTT, how was the rest? Actually, everyone, how was the rest of New York yesterday? I'm bummed that I wasn't able to trade it, but I guess, you know, people come first. God, that 4-tick stop loss was amazing for NQ trades. Heck yeah, wait. Yeah? happy out. The way you said out makes me think not good. Oh, Flip, were you in a sell? No, I thought you were in a buy to the... I'm all upside down and everywhere right now. Moonshine, are we whooping or are we sad? My TP guy edged partial win, then took another trade. TP got edged partial win. So not the best day. OTT is what I'm hearing. But also could be worse. Right? In the end, it was still green. I want to check something. Okay. I want to just see how it reacts at these levels. Let's see. No, didn't think so. Do you guys want to walk me through how you trade contracts? I might just trade Thursday only if this carries on. They're definitely turning into best trading day. Okay, Deb, what happened? Apart from it being a really, really good trading day. That is a top 5 top for you for sure. Thank you. Tactical, you could use 576 now as long entry, but I won't do that. This week when man's slowly up like 1%. It has been really slow this week. Why? Was there like the suspense going into SpaceX and then everything just kind of went meh? Was it because of news? Was it because people aren't convinced that... I don't know. Why has this week been extra? Sorry, all the hiccups. And then next week is basically last week of the month. Guys, in a week, I'm gone. Oh, you guys. Yo, how weird. What's up, Johnny Jones? How are you? Guatemala, Honduras, and El Salvador. I did not know that. That's cool. Until the dog won train. After you left, hit some bangers, one after another, and PM session was just as good right up till power hour. Jordy, do you know what? I've never been more thankful for time going by quickly than I have this month. Literally. I've never been more thankful. I am so excited. In 1 week's time, the movers will come and collect everything. And then on the Saturday, I'll be gone, gone, gone. Yes, that's a sigh of relief. It does then mean... Next week might be the week. I don't want to say YOLO, because that's not a YOLO thing, but the amount of cares given will be down to 0, so let's see how this goes. The Nasdaq Trade Hot website, what's that? I've never even heard of that, Atlanta. Ethan, yeah, I am. Yeah, obviously, Jordy. song stuck in my head that's very irritating.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
What's up, David? I was gonna say hi, Solly. But you never say good morning like that. Normally you scream at me. I'll give you the link and maybe show you how it works when I get to my computer. Thanks, Atlanta. A sticker question. Do you follow up best month with an average month? There we go. Every time I do record breakings followed by an average month. Has that happened to you? Oh, dagnabbit. Huh. I wouldn't have taken that, but still. Ugh. 3:23 and not much has happened. Let's go on to paper and let's try the TMP. Good buy signal there. Noise. Aw, Minimally, what's up? Good morning, trading family. I love it. How you doing? And Soldier Boy, good morning. Why are we doing the pumpkin? You made me always almost think that it was nearly Halloween. And I was like, no. We still... How is it... Whoa. How is it nearly July? What? Hey, money ash with the cash. As they call him on these streets. There we go, it's just okay, man. I did slow down. I'm due for this month as well. Yeah, like 18 out of 20 green trades. What? Are you serious, Atlanta? Then after that, the next month, it was like 16 out of 20 red days. Yep. Definitely mad caffeinated. Coffee for the win. What's up, David? What's the quick question? Yesterday I needed 40 points. I was 35 in plus and market reversed. Oh, minimally, that's not okay. What's cooking? Definitely not me. Can't cook to save my life. Almost July. Oh snap! My anniversary soon. Oh. Happy anniversary! What big number is it? And do you have a gift already? Or do you guys not do gifts? That's also perfectly fine. I know some people don't make such a big deal out of anniversaries and things. This cat bought this market thing yesterday. Did you compete with horses like racing? Not racing, but yeah, I competed show jumping. Yeah. I'm very competitive. Give me a second. Oh, no, I think I packed them. Oh, I packed them. I didn't. I didn't pack them. Wait a second. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, I didn't pack them. Need to pack them. Okay, so I have 3 bags. 3 bags worth of just all of my rosettes. Yeah. Yeah, 3 bags worth. Damn. Like I said, I'm quite a competitive human being. So I need to... Yeah. I don't know, I need to... Anyone think of anything cool to do with these rosettes? Yeah? If you guys can think of anything cool to do with these, let me know, because like I said, I have 3 bags worth. So... Gotta pack those. Gotta pack those. Forgot about that. Guys, your packing's a pain in the butt. You think that you have got it all sorted, and then nope. Okay. now. Okay, let's see what this does here. Are you guys into perfumes? I'm assuming you're not asking me. They reacted to the minute 15 order block from Asia session. A new eval for anniversary. There we go. OTT, I didn't change my sign. It's like I was comparing myself, and I think that's what caused me to get complacent. I know for next time. I need to get a little more. It'll be 12 years of marriage. Do you want ideas? Sure, we can all put our heads together and think about something spectacular for your wife. Because 12 years, that damn, that's long. Recently I've changed my vocabulary to include the German word no, which is 9, yes. I can't write her a song. I did that for Mother's Day, okay. I could write you a song to make you fall in love. Sorry. I don't know why that made me think of that. Does she, okay, how about this? Does she like gifts or does she like more personal things? From the songwriting thing, I'm assuming she likes more personal things. I'm confused. Why? How are you trading at the moment? What's up, Eddie? I guess in a way I'm not. Should we do a little sell for funsies? Although it does look like it's pushing up. Let's take a buy here. No. Okay. I don't think it's gonna work, but little sell stop right over here. Here we go. Let's see if that thing's going up. It's gonna go up. So there we go. Like I said, if it's going up, it's gonna go up. Isn't today a bank holiday? It is. What's up, Kelly? I sent it to you with a short explanation. Thanks, Atlanta. Weirdly enough, none of my friends love it. Okay. Oh, thank you, David. I appreciate that. Rejection off of there. Jordy, your coffee's definitely nice. You know what? Maybe Jordy's just happy. Let the man be happy. Okay, I'm gonna have a look at that properly just now, Atlanta. Thank you. I sold a boy too early. Oh, for the sell. Last week said that we're going to trade 24/7. Did my dreams finally come true? Eddie, I'm confused. It's Friday. I'm so confused right now. It's Friday. I know there's a bank holiday, but it's only gonna close at 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. 12 or 1. I don't know. It's either gonna close at 12 or 1 p.m. EST time. So there's still trading happening today. Loki looks like this might be a good trade. Let's see. You can make a collage of those rosets and frame it. Just an idea. Not wrong, Samuel. It's gonna be a huge collage though. Why is the market closing then today? It's a bank holiday today, Debbie. Both personal and board, but she has too much stuff already. Offline backpacks, photo albums, and various other things I've made and bought her. Okay. Then what about a trip, like a getaway, a weekend getaway, or spa day? Women love spa days, right? That's a thing that most women enjoy. That's quite basic though, so I don't know if you want to do that. That's not very, like, thoughtful. It is a bit basic. Nah. Come on, paper, let's do this thing. Yeah. I'll probably just plan a weekend trip. Oh, there we... Jackie. A big plus one. You buy a coffee and beans and grind or ready to place in the coffee machine? Nah, I got instant coffee, David. I don't know. And I don't have a coffee machine. I have a kettle. Done. I am the coffee machine. My wife most definitely does or doesn't want a spa day. I'm buying again. 500. 100 or 30? I'm assuming that's supposed to be a 30 with 1%. I'm in love. Bar days. Soldier boy. Bar days. Yeah. Flip. No, seriously, I think they're supposed to be like Black History Month Day or something. Okay, Shaki, I thought so. So, doesn't like spa days. I mean, weekend getaways are good. There's too many things. What about like an activity that you guys can do together? Like, that's always fun because then it's a memory together. But I guess that, you know, like traveling. But I was thinking, I don't know, if you guys are adventurous and you want to go like skydiving, or you go and do a painting class or something. I don't know. Something like that is normally quite fun. But I think they changed the name to Juneteenth instead. Okay, fire there and take her randomly. She'll appreciate more than anything. Soldier Boy, spa, S-P-A, not bar. Bar, you know, when they get like facials, massages, and maybe get your nails did. Scuba diving, river rafting, hiking. There we go. Now you're getting plethora of ideas. I love it. Guys. Juneteenth is a holiday today, Friday. It represents the day that the last day of freedom south, when word finally made it everywhere. Really? I didn't know that. I actually didn't know that. That's interesting. Why is it not a holiday, like, everywhere? Freaking married for crying out loud. Do you think that happened by accident? Yeah, but after 12 years, sometimes you run out of ideas. Just wanted to flirt, mission failed successfully.
Nice.
All those activities can be done in the city. I'm from LA. Because nobody even pretends to care. Oh my gosh, Atlanta, what the heck, man? No! And yeah, Shaki, I'm pretty sure. Now you're making me question things. I'm gonna Google that. I'm gonna get flagged as a problem. a really unpleasant topic. I'm not gonna say that out loud. That made me laugh. Anyway. I'll try another short at 632. Okay. Thanks, Debbie. Neighboring gun is just in a different form. Yeah. Why do we always... Why do we keep having conversations that are gonna get me, I don't even know, banned? I'm gonna get kind of that way. Anyways, I'll just see the term to the job and salary. Damn, guys. Anyway, moving on. We are very quickly changing topic. Okay. I know Moonshine wants to try a short. I know Soldier Boy wants to try a long. After it retraces. Anyone else? Hey Pat Pat. No, no. Well, yes, I did on the paper. Be so it's not sensitive, it's yeah. I don't know. We made a point solid. Yeah. Damn, Debbie be spitting facts. So it's cancel worthy. Yeah. Angel, you think it's gonna be long? It's a little bit tricky with this market right now. I don't know why I'm breaking up sentences. Oh my gosh. Okay. English, nailing it. Samuel, you're not in a trade, not right now, okay? I think Jay a lady. Jay, are you a lady? Jay Angel? Slightly dyslexic, which is common. Hands off, just limit order, nothing else. Okay. Oh, Soldier Boy. Okay, yours is down below, right? By 550. I think if this breaks down, it's gonna go down properly. Break it down now, y'all. Anyways, should we test my hunch? Maybe a hunch is a bad word, but shall we test it out of curiosity? Hey, another female. I love it. What's up, Jay? How are you? So you're from Australia. That is awesome. Are you also a trader, or you just... No, obviously you're a trader, else you wouldn't have said long. Okay, another female trader. I love it. How are you doing, Jay? Sorry, we need more estrogen up in here. It's just me, but saying woman or female sounds, I don't know, like mean. Why? She's a lady. How about that? Not wow, like 20 minutes, possibly a good time to enter. Lady just like, no, wait for my short entry. Not breaking down without. Sorry, Moonshine. Okay, my bad. I'll tell it. Keep pushing a little higher. Push it, and there we go. Justice for Jay. Awesome. So Jay, sorry, I like interrogate English. I interrogate like any other female traders that pop on here, so I do apologize. Just tell me if I make you uncomfortable. How long have you been trading for? What do you trade? What strategy do you use? I think that's everything. Don't worry, you don't have to answer like personal questions, just about the trading journey. Okay, we're gonna swiftly move on. So, what I saw the other day, which I was like, what on earth? So I now have it, I hope I still have it like that. Gold Nasdaq scalp about a year ago. Okay, and what strategy? Do you use a specific strategy? Is it one that you just came up with yourself? You know, are you profitable? Are you still learning? Gold Nasdaq scalp about a year. Yeah, only when he does this. Oh, okay. Right. Inverting the chart, please. Why? Still learning. Samesies. So Jay, I've actually also been trading just over a year now. Definitely still learning. I'm not profitable. I'm not here to pretend like I am either. I'm very open and honest. Essentially, this channel is about the open, honest reality of becoming a trader. Right? The ups and downs, the sideways, the doubt, the everything that comes with it. To know that you're not alone. It's not easy. And with all of that, you get this awesome community. We're actually talking about community earlier. And this community is the best community. Just because of you guys, obviously. Why don't I use a pink chart? Why? Settings, invert scale. What does... But I'm scared, Soldier Boy. What does it do? Try some Spanish. Whenever you need to say some, but nothing is coming out. Try. I got a mom. Why? Why do you want me to try and say ay caramba? Oh my gosh. Is it like a situation of if I'm frustrated, the best thing to do as a South African is just swear in Afrikaans? I don't know why. It just feels more powerful. I'm not even Afrikaans. Is there a proof? Code 611. I'm in yes. Okay. Okay, let's see, Moonshine. Here's a mental tip. Ever feel stuck on charts or just need something new? Change chart colors. Wait, OTT, you said you did that. Oh no, you were going to do that. Did you do it? Did it help? Did it work? Are you calling yourself handsome, Soldier Boy? Nice to meet you, Mastering the psychology is it's hard as heck. So I have a little bit of a hybrid strategy. I'm trying to improve on it. I am trying to improve on it. But I have a little bit of a hybrid strategy that uses ICT, SMC, and market auction theory. It's very basic, which I sometimes think is the problem, because sometimes it's too basic with not enough information. So I'm trying to get more information without flooding. That kind of makes sense. Without flooding or being flooded with information. That works. That was English. That was a sentence. So that's just where I'm at right now. Personally. So I'm at this little bit of a barrier, and I'm just trying to push through it now. It's very frustrating. But I am on a funded, so I have passed an eval. Yay! This is my fund. Well, this right now is paper trading. I mess around a little bit on paper trading, trying to test things, but I do have my funded account. It is in drawdown. I was $20 away from blowing it, and I did slowly bring it back up. Then I've had a few red days, so now it's going back down. But one trade at a time. That's all we can do. Here, use this little. I did black when I call it equal. Okay, Atlanta, I might go bowling. Boom, you weren't expecting me to answer that, hey? Or ice skating. I don't quite know. Maybe bowling or ice skating. Or karaoke. There's options. Or, hear me out, celebrate by eating sweeties. Not just as basic, you just don't know how to use the higher time frame to frame trades and everyone goes through that, you shatter through it. No, thanks OTT. Zozy, can I ask why don't you hold runners? So I do sometimes, I do. So if I'm trading more than one contract, which I haven't been for a while because of the drawdown and reducing risk, but when I trade more than one contract, what I would normally do, okay, so let's just, I'm gonna pretend this is a setup over here, okay, for funsies. So let's say there's, say 5 contracts. Okay, let's say there's 5 contracts. Let's actually leave that there. Let's then say I get tagged in and it starts going down. I would take a partial at 1. When the partial is taken, move to break even. Okay. Then TP for the well, for 3. So majority goes at full TP. Then I guess that it's TP, then I might move it further down to maybe not midpoint, but a little bit further down. And then I would leave a runner. And with the runner, maybe I'll have a point of interest, like maybe I'll be greedy and be like, okay, let's go for the low. Or I'll just leave it and just have a trailing stop loss. And if it gets hit, it gets hit. So I do sometimes have runners. And those, yeah. Those have been quite entertaining. I've been tagged into this now. Let's see what happens. I should maybe set a stop loss. No, I think if it's gonna take out this top, it's gonna go solidly. So let's have that there. TP. Let's do a bob to bob for TP. A bit risky with VWAP and all the shenanigans over there, but let's see. Ooh, dear, there's a buy signal. How you got me now? Oh, back down to the SMC. Have my word. Yes, I won for once. That's not a barrier, it's your self-doubt of being successful. You got in the game. Can't make excuses for your losses anymore. Damn. Use trading stop losses only with only with runners. Oh, that don't look very good, do it? So that is a ring in case it hits your lowest and now. Number is used whenever surprise or frustration or both. That's awesome, you source in South African though. I'm out $300 for a death there. Has to be enough. Aw, cheers Moonshine. That's okay though. It happens, right? Oh dear. There was a buy signal. Let's see what this does. Okay, Debbie, I'm curious. This has spiked my curiosity. Let's see how it reacts to. If we get a pullback. I don't know if it will pull back. Good grief. Okay, so it didn't even pull back there. was a buy signal. I know it's risky, but this kind of looks like a nice trade to take. Is it dumb to take this trade? It might be dumb to take this trade. Is it dumb to take this trade? It might be dumb to take this trade. Do I want to low-key take this trade? I do low-key want to take this trade. Sugar honey iced tea. But look at that wick. That do be a large wick right there. Nah, Atlanta, look at that. Inside a bob level. How much am I risking? There's a looking for a long $24. It's not really been my week, but let's see. This is more of a beat. Trying to stop overthinking it. Let's see what happens. I know inside you 3 Maya is screaming to take that trade. Don't listen. Jonas, what's up? That's not ideal. Is Lavender here? Hey, Microwave, what's up? No. Well, Lavender hasn't commented, so I don't know if she's here. Thanks. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Ah, sugar honey, guys. It's nearly 4. The breaks above they were done, so it's fine. Sometimes I really hate myself. Why? I wanted to ask some questions about what should do with my final touches to the strap. There's no foyer market opening today. Without acting right now. I disagree. Like, do the markets just not like me? Do the markets just not like me? Because this it feels like a bit of a personal attack sometimes, but whatever. What's good? It's unbelievable painful sometimes. You know, so I'm from UK. Nah, I'm from South Africa, bud. How you doing? Double top. I don't want to be in something at 4. I've learned that lesson the hard way a few times. Ugh. Okay. If she was from the UK, I would be just that bit more miserable. Oh, why? Rude. 600. Ah, Mikwavi, you're such a bully. Okay, here's 4 AM. Okay. $30 to go. Hey, David. Nasdaq futures? What do you mean? The 4 AM can sometimes be a bit more volatile. I'm getting a bit cold. Okay, let me go grab my jersey. Okay, 4 AM. Yeah, look at this big ass candle. And now look at what it's doing. Okay, quickly grabbing a jersey. Okay. Let's see. Things now going down. Going down, down, do 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 do. So there I would have been tagged in. Good grief. What's up, Samuel? Pork chop, I love it. Just, you know, I fully intend on testing out active trading with your chart one day. Okay, Atlanta, you must let me know how it goes. Oh. Mm-hmm. Why at 4 a.m. does London start moving? I don't actually know. Some people call it like the 4 a.m. reversal. I don't know. There's different thoughts behind it. This is the most ridiculous thing I've ever. No, that nice to do. I would like to follow you and an active trader may actually pay attention for once. Wow, thanks, Atlanta. Trying to decide if I'm insulted or not right now. It's about right. Okay, it's not burning. Someone you're wearing winter stuff. Yeah, because it's winter here in South Africa. 257. Are you asking me? Do I even know what Juneteenth is? Most for traders with market seller after open, as most manipulation happens first hour of any market open. So is that a no? Are you asking me, 257 Joker? Because yeah, we've already had a whole conversation about Juneteenth. Oh, okay. 257. Oh, okay. You're asking Ollie or microwave. Sorry. Yeah, we've been having a discussion about it, and I thought it was very well, not uncomfortable, but the topic makes me sad. Sorry, just hopped on. It was the first thing I saw. Oh well, welcome 257. Damn, that's a statement to read when you first hop on, isn't it? What was it? Oh dear. Now the conversation starts. I'm starting to believe my B setups are just better. I wonder if there's like specific things about the B setups. Let's have a look-see. Eunice is your son's name? Eunice as well? If you happen to have a B setup, take it, yeah. I mean, this was a B setup. So you see it went up, it wouldn't have even hit break E. Well, let's see what it does here. Still low-key looks like it's deciding what it wants to do. Guys, don't worry, unhinged is gonna happen. Sooner than you think. Good grief. Soldier Boy, but it's fine. I'm not gonna ask. Looks like he beat it up with a good chunk of change. Jose, not really. TP would have only been over here. Maybe I would have been break even here. So maybe it would have made me nothing. Yeah, my profitable name is my son's name. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, cheers, David. Also, let's take one. See, watching and running amazing ways to this time. No solid strategy. Now I need to stay in and to come back. What was that? I don't know. Wait, did I stutter? What? Okay, moving on. Wow, I do say that a lot. Where's Lavender? What is getting stuck at this level? Now this is better. Four, three. Okay. Let's see, maybe I've diddled on the middle slightly. Let's see. Went down into there. The only problem is that at 618. And talk us through what you're seeing. Dag nabbit. We had that break, which is what I've been waiting for. Took that high. I'll leave it at 2 for now. Ugh. Entry at stop loss for this one might be the way to go, but it's fine. See if it rejects off of that volume imbalance. Kind of is. My node has been activated. It's a powerful force. We're like 8 points from there to go from red to green. Oh, thanks. This one is on my funded. But let's see. there is some things that might want to come and take out further down. In which case, we go with it. Seriously? Well, too late for that then. Other plant contains THC, which is a chemical compound or driver. $13.12. Watching ES. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh dear. ES does not look very good right now. Nope. So that volume imbalance on ES and went, oh dear. Yeah. That is huge. Sugar on the iced tea. Oh well. Candle without wick, but you figured it out. Yeah. And it's going down to grab the other one over there. Nah, I want to start. Well, not yet. Did it go to midpoint? It did go to midpoint. Okay, midpoint. Oh, but it is a bit choppy. Normally the rule is midpoint and I move stop loss midway. If it takes out the high on ES, I'll then move stop not to break even, but mitigate risk by half. I'm waiting for an occasion where the world becomes chaos. I start my own Mad Max set. What? See. 556. Mitigate risk by half. Technically, this is where I take one off and then go break even, if it goes there. Huh. Mr. Umi, you're going short. No? I'm not. I feel like I should actually be break even here. Okay, leave it alone. It's so simple that people find it complicated. Compounding. Hands off. Leave it alone. Pullback's coming. Yeah, maybe. But I stuck with my rules. I think that's the only important thing. I'm trying really hard. You see how I want to do things, and I'm just like, leave it alone. Leave it alone. Hands off, relax. Okay, yeah. I'll just sit and drink my coffee. Anyways, how's everyone else doing? How's everyone else's day going? For the food. Never compounding works if you have multiple entry opportunities a day. Let's see. There we go. Let's understand how yours is going. Why? What do you mean, Atlanta? When you understand how mine is going. Do you not see how mine is going? Mine's going cool. Mine's chilled. Mine's good. Mine's just dandy. How is... Yeah, I don't know. Anyone else in a trade? Anyone else taking a trade? Everyone else just chin-chilling? Your strategy would be great for compounding, okay. No, I don't. I feel like you contemplate. I was contemplating going break even. I was. Hello. What's wrong? Hello? Hello? I was contemplating going. Is that what you mean by psychology of trading? Yeah. Like, yeah, this is an active trade. This is on my funded. Watching that there on ES. Woof woof. Let me switch my computer screen then. Do. The second time rejecting off of the 50% of the wick on ES. Gonna watch if it rejects again. Nope. Never mind. To tap the high and take out the high on ES. Damn, NQ is struggling to keep up. Okay, this is getting a little bit too close for comfort. I'm moving it just slightly. So it breaks that wick anyways. Higher time frame online. You take small scalp trades within the large frame. For all the small trades, you can target higher time frame. Oh, so you just keep adding and adding and adding and adding and adding. That makes sense. That makes sense. Thank you, literally teasing my STP. Literally. And the 5 lines top to bottom. The top one green, the bottom one looks white with a 0 added. Atlanta, that's just bottom of the range. 0.2 stop loss, 0.5 midpoint of the range. 1 is top of the range, 1.1 is 1 to 2R. That's about it, Atlanta. Yeah, nothing like super special. Okay. And I have left a runner. I don't know if that was maybe a bad decision with how the market's looking today, but I have left a runner. Let's see. Let's see what it does. I've not set a TP for the runner. This seems greedy, but whatever. I keep sniffing those wicks, Jackie! That's... wow. And every time you add it, stop up to the new trade stop, so you're always risking same amount and still absolutely raking it in. Okay, that makes sense. That does make sense. Why did you stop trading like that? Microwave? iPad. Oh, I thought you should. No. I'm in a long... How did I have this? I had this here. Sure, bro. Yeah. Okay. This trade looked like so. This might come here and grab me out, but oh well. If it does, it does. That's always one, right? Average not change. At least take partial. Oh no, Soldier Boy, I did take a partial. Yeah. Partial was already taken at 1. So partial was taken right over there. Ah, looks like it's gonna be break even. Wow, microwave. I'm for sure letting. Let me find the average apply only with a market order like a computer. Well, let's see here. Technically, this trade didn't look like that. Let's see. It is choppy today, guys. There's no doubt about it. No doubt about it being a bit of a chop fest today. Okay, let's wait for this. 752.55. That's where the balance is now. Is that right? Oh my gosh, I've never had it at a... It's always been like a whole number. Never at a 5-5 or whatever. Huh, interesting. Anyways. Mr. Umi 623 back. Let's see. If you're right, then I got my TP in. You have to understand, this is so interesting. Ah, okay. Ah, so it was not 755, 754.60. Oh, no, wait, I lie. I'm being an absolute chop. Cool. There we go, guys. Balance is a little bit up for today. It doesn't averaging either way. It's truly a matter of being a skill practitioner. Since weak markets, it's better to cash out than blow out. What's up, Hammer? How we doing? Stop. Hammer time. Ayo, 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 ayo. How you doing, Hammer? Yeah, so I took a partial at the top here, and then it took me out of break even over there. Watch it now start going. $430, let's see. Take me out of break even and then start pumping. Ooh, my goodness. Can you imagine I left that up? I'm good, Wendy here. I'm trying to hide. No. What's the weather? Okay, give me a second. I'll be right back. What's the weather gonna be like next week Saturday? Please say warm and toasty and happiness and sunshine. Okie dokie. Atlanta, are you talking to me? I think you're a lot better than you think, and I think that you really just need to work on your methods. That's just what I feel I could be off, even though I never am. Your focus is amazing. Atlanta, are you actually talking to me right now? You're complimenting me. That's weird. I don't know what to do with that information. No, the worst is starting now. Now we're gonna have cold fronts until September. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. Shall we? I'm gonna check the temperature. I'm scared. Genuinely scared. Okay. But that's not bad. Oh wait. Okay, how do I move? I wanna check. Let's see. I'll never add to it. If I got in a small, I got a piece of it already. Decided to risk forward for that trade. I'm fine with something. The last thing I want to make is average entry worse. Take the freaking information taken. That's it. Morning Atlantic. No, it's just said news headline fear that between you and have been cancelled. Funny. Yep, that sounds about right, Debbie. Remember, 18 is not Durban. 18, we have humidity. That's a good point. Mike the Goat, what's up? I'm arriving on one of the coldest days. No, that's a lie. It looks like this Sunday, good luck. That's all I'm gonna say. This Sunday, good luck. Thank you, say hello to my limit. So we're doing this. You guys are gonna experience the pain with me. So Sunday, sorry. Well, yeah. Damn, Hammer, look at this. High of 16, high of 15, high of 12 on Sunday, 12. And raining. Damn, okay. I'm here, so high of 21, low of 7. That kind of sucks. What does it look like for the rest of that? Oh dear. I'm getting cold just looking at this, but I mean, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. This sucks. I am so sorry about that, Hammer. But yes, it does look like just in time for a bit of a... Yeah, let's see. Sunny. It is sunny though. Feels like 25 degrees. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. If that's accurate. Hey, Ash, what's up? How you doing? I was looking at the temperature and going, meh. Sad. Microwave? No. As I told you long ago, you have a cheat sheet. Thanks for sharing, but yeah, I can remember on the weekend doesn't come. Rainy, yeah. Ugh. I'm used to it. You're gonna suffer. I know that's what's coming. You forget what's your time and do it. I know. Emma, I'm terrified. Not even gonna like try and deny that. Low key, terrified. And my horse is gonna try and kill me. He hasn't worked in 3 months, and now I'm gonna be back and be like, let's go. Top right with the blue. I don't know, what was it? Oh, it's bicycle shorts? It's a Temu thing, by the looks of things. Very weird. No trading on Fridays for me. Oh, okay. No trading on Fridays for you. I'm good. I had a little win, yeah, so I can't complain. Happiness. We're tiny bit up. Very tiny, but I guess green is green. Now we sits and we waits for another one. If it's gonna rock up, because it is Chop City today. So let's go back to the paper trading for now. Let's see what happens. I don't know what it is. Yeah, I'm cold, but I've got the aircon on. You need to get over now. Hammer, you want me to call your next trade? Go on then. Should I take it on the funded or should I take it on just paper? But go on, Hammer. Let's see. Let's see how accurate you are. How about this? Call it. I'll take one on paper, and if you do a flipping good job, I'll then take the next one on funded. I'm putting my trust in you. Though, is today the best day for you to be doing this because it is what, Juneteenth? It is bank holiday and all the whatnots today. So it could just be going sideways. I was saying paper. My coffee's cold. Okay. That's not very nice. Yeah. Hammer? Maybe on Monday then. Yeah? Deal? I think that's a good deal. But today is indeed a bank holiday, so are we expecting great things? No. No, we are not. We still gonna trade? I mean, we already have. I'm gonna suck some coffee. Should have taken the one that just happened. What do you mean? This. I mean, that doesn't look great. But let's see, Ollie. We're using a cell here. Flip, it's getting colder. Okay. Ooh. Looks like it's headed. Okay, so that would have been a stop loss. This is on paper just before you'll freak out at me. Let's see. I told you I was gonna buy. What do you mean? You said take this out. Does it look like someone was showing? Emma, that's Thursday's problem. I may copy too. Wow, if it would just. No, micro. I'm now confused. Really myself anymore, and I just have my homework is spreading the word of my greatness. Yeah, my confidence in that now allows me to be able to treat you badly again. Oh, thanks. Wow, damn, look at that. Maybe I should have taken that one. Okay, then. I'm gonna keep this one completely hands off now. Let's see. Just had to come mess around first. Rude. What's up, Rish? I had a little win on the funded. It was a little one. Nothing hectic. I wanted to leave a runner up there. Then I took this buy on paper. You guys are absolute shops. Stop it. Stop trying to sell fake horses. I mean, that would have been a cool range. Was a bee set up as well? Seriously, maybe the bees are just the way to go. Oh, yeah, so this one here, I actually had this set up, Ollie. I had this set up, but it missed me by a tick there, and then I went back up. No, because I'm drawing that like a chop. There we go, looks like so. So let's then see. If I take in the smaller range here, well, I don't even know if I can really call this a range. Would have just ticked in. The rising soul because there's no extra volatility. I have no idea, Atlanta. Aw, bye Hammer, see you soon! Taking another one. Damn, it's now moving and I'm seeing these a little bit too late. So there's a little bit of a volume imbalance. Shoot. Oh well. Let's see if it does work or not. Obviously I'll see if it works with that. But I was cheeky with taking another one. Maybe it then doesn't work out and screws me, but... okay, we're fine. Let's see. So, how's everybody doing? Oh dear. See what happens when you're greedy. Oh, good grief. Damn. It's going down, people. It's happening. Wonder if it's just headed for some more liquidity to start moving back up. So we are lacking a little bit of liquidity right now. Pat, you shorted 651. Ooh, okay. We're going against each other here, Pat. This is on the paper, so me, but still. Mr. Interstate Skater, what's up? It might be overextended and wanting to flush. Maybe. Asher could be doing some liquidity hunting before continuation. Let's find out. Told you it was gonna start shorting. The Oracle does it again. Did you? I'm so confused. Nice to see you still full of rubbish. Come on, everyone in chat. Great enough for me on our first TPT Pro account. Hey! Best DJ in town, that's awesome! How you doing? Solid Boy, you're saying this is about to be a big up? I don't know if anything today is going to be big. Let's just put it out there. I mean, that being said, we have moved decent-ish-ly. Ish being the keyword. That's what she said. curious about this. Oh. Oh, can you imagine? Oh, I would. Oh. Okay. Oh, that would have sucked. Technically still bullish. No. Yes. Shoot, I have to remember which one it is. Honestly, I can just put all three of them back up. Okay. It's going, question mark, going slowly. It's the weekly. What do you mean that's the weekly? It's the previous day. Manifest a hit your TP with power of love and friendship. Oh gosh. So this is on my paper, guys. Just before everyone gets super excited. This is on the paper account. Yep. Tis rather intense. Mikuave. This is the 1 minute. Indication they make you stuck with so much upward pressure, it's ridiculous. ES is actually moving quite nicely. Did we drop last night? So I think it did. Did it drop last night? Let's have a quick look. No, let's zoom out slightly. I mean, there was quite a bit of volatility. Big drop and then continued back up. Then lost volatility there. So it's probably just because of this bit of volatility right over there. But yeah, it's literally... If we could please, there we go. 205 points. Whoop. Whoop. I don't think about doing more unfunded with this. Let's see, I mean, this one, which would have been sneaky, would have been a win. But the full range would have been a loss now that the wicks are being a little bit wiki wild. Let's test this one. This one would have been a loss. See how it reacts here. Could have bought a nice buy, if I'm not mistaken. Not at open. It didn't even hit Val at open. Val is down here. It's around here. You can see it didn't even come back and retest into it. So you would have had to have like bought when it started. But I mean, if you were online before, yeah, then you could have taken a buy from there. Jiu-jitsu? What? Soldier Boy, what about jiu-jitsu? What's happening? I'm just telling you, it looks good. Oh, thank you, yep. What's up, Ninja? How you doing, bud? How's it going? How are you? Oh, it's nearly... nearly 11. Yo. So there would have potentially been an entry. Let's now see if it goes back up or not. It's been so long. Yeah. Actually, Ninja, that's pretty accurate. I don't know how else to explain it. It has indeed been a very long short week. I forgot it was a short week. I forgot that Tuesday was a public holiday. That is how long it's been. Wow. Just wow. I did not do my butterfly. Who wants to do butterfly of the day? Is OTT here? OTT? Do you wanna pick the butterfly of the day? You're being awfully quiet over there. Are you just listening in the background? I'm fighting Cody. Okay. Okay. Cool. 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 Maybe I should leave you alone then. Sorry guys, I washed my hair now. It's going crazy. Let me pick. Okay. Cheers, Atlanta, even though I know it doesn't exist. Okay, go for it. You pick yourself a butterfly even though you don't think that they are real. Maybe you need to get a butterfly tattoo. Be basic. Let's do it. Good. Whew, actual grief, guys. I mean, in a way this price action is moving, in another way it's really not. I'm gonna go completely hands off for this one. If it hits stop loss, it hits stop loss. But completely hands off. Let's see what we get. I'm curious. Okay, starting a poll. See if anyone's going to trade Blue Mormon. Okay. Haven't we done that? No? I don't think we have. I'm so sorry. My bad. Sorry, glasses. Okay. Who's gonna trade New York Open? I'm gonna leave the poll up while we quickly go on and look at Blue Mormon Butterfly. There is definitely a New York Open to trade in the first place. Definitely. Market only closes at 12 p.m. EST. Damn, that pretty as heck. OTG? That is a cool choice. Look how huge this butterfly is. OTT, your butterfly pretty badass. Nice choice. I like it. I like it a lot. Whoa, okay, so this is the Blue Mormon butterfly. Okay, let's see what information we can get on this. Okay, this looks like it has something. I see it's a large swallowtail butterfly found in South India and Sri Lanka. Oh, so many things. Okay. No, wait, do we have more than just pictures? I need information here. Okay, so that's not giving me information. I wanted information. Okay, maybe this. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's the state butterfly. Huh. Todoba Jungle Camp. Rockhard Jungle Camp Pinch. Jungle Camp. I feel like I'm butchering these names. I'm so sorry. Conha Jungle Camp. Uplifting about spotting the butterfly in flight. Its graceful movement. Okay, this is not really what I wanted. Ah, maybe this will be it. So it is in India, which is very cool. Is this going to give us more information? Butterfly. Anything from Asia is amazing. New York Open, I'm in. Oh, nice, Giza. How you doing? Welcome back. I saw them in Peru. I can't believe it. You saw them in Peru. Over 30 viewers with 13 likes on a boring Friday morning. Shame on you guys. Gotta show more support. Have fun. I'll talk to you. Aw, cheers, Atlanta. Okay, Atlanta is going to all of you that haven't liked the stream, by the way. Not me. Him. Also South Asia, if I'm not wrong. I mean, you probably are. The Wi-Fi is just having a mini meltdown right now. Wingspan of 12 to 15 centimeters. It holds the title of India's 4th largest butterfly. Huh. Oh, no, wait. Of the West Indian state. Well, okay, no, wait. It is the state butterfly of the West Indian state. Found in South India. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, so we have a bit of an idea. Sorry, it's just not loading now. It's being dumb. Oh, shoot. This actually would have been a winning trade. Look at that. Huh, interesting. Yeah, I just looked at it before London Open anyways. Yeah. So literally, check at this. This would have been a win. Feels risky though with this choppy day. Oh, it was the 5 a.m. candle. That's why it had that little burst of movement. I think Asian food is my favorite. That's not with you on that OTT. Going on my let it run. Don't touch it. No, Soldier Boy, I'm leaving it alone. It is on the paper. Like I said, this is a paper trade. But I'm leaving it alone. The stop loss and everything, I'm leaving it alone. I'm not gonna try trailing or doing anything silly. Why do you think instead of birds it's butterfly? Agreed. anything? Just peek. I think it's an Ash thing. Uh-oh. Do you know what today is? It's Fun Fact Friday. I forgot about Fun Fact Friday, but it is indeed Fun Fact Friday. Let's see, so... Oh, damn. We're at a bit of a divide about which people think are going to be trading New York Open and who say, nope, 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 they're not touching that. Giza or Snap have no in a trade, so this is a trade on the paper. But I did actually have a trade earlier, and it was a winning trade over here. So that was cool. Yeah, it actually had 2 contracts. I did leave a runner, but as you can see, it came and took me out at break even, which is fine. It happens. Maybe I shouldn't have picked such a choppy day to do that, but I was kind of expecting slash I was yeah. Thought if it broke above, it might start moving properly, which clearly not. Yeah, called that wrong. Wait, Ash, is your full name Ash or Ashley or the other diabolical ways to spell it? Wow. Must be an Ash thing. Living in Japan seems super relaxing, to be honest. Imagine trading from a dojo. ICT, I'm gonna send you a message. It's so funny how I have the same spelling too. Heard bank holiday. If you see an amazing setup, doesn't mean bank holidays doesn't mean every setup gonna be an L. Oh, TT, that's true. This looks like it's trading better than this London for nothing. Like it kind of is. I was watching this and it is moving really, really well. Watching ES, and ES is actually doing beautiful like 50% pullbacks, 50% pullbacks, 50% pullbacks. Yeah, ES looks good. You're good, as long as you executed your rules. Jackie, that was... That was good. That was good. And you know what's so... I read the dried grapes and I was like, so a raisin? Just wanted to raise an awareness about this and I was like, ah, okay, cool. There we go. And here I was thinking about specials, maybe panic sell soon. Let's see, Silent Hustle. Am I gonna stream later? Yeah, I will, Ninja. I'll stream later, especially because I missed yesterday, right? Might not be on for long, especially if it's not gonna give us great stuff, but maybe it will. So I'll hop on later, even if it's for a little bit, see what the holiday brings, if it's gonna bring good or bad. Bank on maybe you're gonna be sitting in a trade for double the time, which is no bueno. What's he? Null One Capital, what's up? I mean, I'm up a tiny bit. I'm on 48754.60. I had a little bit of a red week this week. Bummer, but it's okay because I stuck with my rules. I think that's important. I stuck with my rules. Who's watching Vikings series? I've watched it. Does that count, Soldier Boy? Side note, but Bonner drew last night. Oh, Giza, that's cool. I did not know that. Oh, thanks, Null One Capital. It's going slowly, but I guess the important thing is that it's going, right? How much drawdown do you have left? No, still a bit. If I'm not mistaken, I can go up to 48325. Somewhere there. Yeah, 48325. So 400, just over $400. Bizarre, you lost $890? Damn. Oh, damn. You mentioned maybe hopping on Discord or backtesting, so I like to book you for 15 minutes. Ninja, oh, you're so funny. Ah, shucksy doodles. Have I ever used TopStep? I have not used TopStep. What's up, T-Sab? How you doing? Who has used TopStep? I think a few people have used TopStep, yeah? Not a big amount for me, because earlier I lost. Guys, oh damn, how big are these trades you're taking? That's a lot of money. Yeah, poop. Oh well, it was a nice idea, I guess. Trust the process. Okay, it looks like it's a bit of a 50-50 split with regards to who's taking trades during New York today. Okay. Yeah, that would have been a banger one. My excuse me. I'm not working. I've used it, but it was before they forced everyone to Project X and the payouts. Oh. Also, I'll make profits in thousands of dollars. Okay, if you get some winners, yes, but if you've lost 1657 and $890, that's how big are your winners then? If London dumps, New York reverses it. Good grief! Oh, that scared me! Okay, let me go. The door just slammed shut. Let me quickly go and put a wedge there. Woo! I'm awake now. Damn. Okay. That's all you need. Hey, you're a celebrity now, so I've got to request your precious time. First of all, nah. Second of all, sure, we can organize. Let me quickly just go and wedge that door open. Okay. Oh my goodness. Hey, some guy. What's up? Okay, what did I miss? I'm using $10 in capital. Anyone here using MT5? Gonna grind slowly, solid boy. It's not gonna be anything crazy. Oh, New York is gonna grind slowly. You're only a C trader at the moment. MT5 computer. My MT5 mobile is better than the computer's nothing. Solid boy, I'm maintaining that next. Can't trade that. I'm going to trade you. And you're playing outside and you do. Just realized that my has a crush on Soldier Boy. Don't get too excited. I mean, the real Soldier Boy. What on earth are you talking about? How do I have a crush on Soldier Boy? Or the real Soldier Boy? Buying a big lot. Hello! Are you here to just say hello to everybody? Oh, indeed. Oh, okay, I got you. Yeah, of course I do. Oh my gosh. Have you seen him? Have you seen him? He can act, he can sing. That man is fire. Anyways. Yeah, Jensen Ackles is fan-damn-tastic. Yeah. Jensen Ackles, if you're watching this. I know you're married. Fine. Sorry. I'm just looking at this price action, kind of contemplating all my life choices here. My wife has a crush on Jane. Oh, for a valid reason. Shaki, can I just say? For a very valid reason. Yeah. Anyways. Yeah, I'm sure Jensen Ackles is watching this. Yeah. Can you imagine? Oh, that would be hilarious. Oh, flip. Anyways. So where am I from? I'm from South Africa, bud. No, I have not watched The Boys. I need to find some way to watch it. It's not on Netflix. And so I need to find some way to watch it. Isn't it also like super unhinged? I feel like it's unhinged. I've seen some clips. What's wrong? Oh, he's sitting like right next to me. He never does this. Prime Video. I don't have Prime Video, so I'm gonna have to go check it out. I'm gonna have to see. Ooh, my friend might have Prime. Maybe I'm gonna ask her to go to watch it. It's unreal, must watch. Okay, I'll have a look. Worth paying for 1 month just to binge it. Bet. Is it a complete series? I'm so sick and tired of watching series, especially anime series, that are not done yet. Yo! Drives me crazy. And the Gen V spin-off as well. Alex, how are you trading with no structure? What's up, Alex? What do you mean? Are you talking about like today? There was structure over there where I took the trade and it won. Otherwise, here we are. Free in Telegram, duh. Okay, so let me end the poll here with regards to who's trading New York today. So we have me winning by who's taking trades for the New York Open by 56% on the vertical, and the Nopes winning by 60% on the horizontal. So yeah, looks like quite a few people are just kind of noping out of taking trades today during New York Open. There's New York Open today. the market's only closing at 12 p.m. EST. Or was it 12 or 1 a.m.? It's either 12 or 1 a.m. EST. There was an email. Yesterday we only bullish since the daily open. Okay, then Alex. So hopefully, I mean, I did get an email saying that. So you can. I'm not saying it's going to be a great New York session. Don't get me wrong. It might not be worth trading, but there is still AM session, not PM session. You I don't know how to where's oh, strange there. Okay. Let's do this. Let's ask this question. Hey Ronan, what's up? How you doing? I'm staying out of it. Then Volume is just asking for a spiky, choppy session. Yeah, probably. I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna watch it. Is it worth trading it? Probably not. I mean, a tiny little whoop whoop today. That was cool. A little bit unplanned, but cool. Rough. Happy Friday! Am I gonna bri? Oh no, I'm not gonna go bri. Way too much effort. Okay, yeses are winning. I could genuinely be the darkest conversion of Einstein. Okay, why are you a genius, OTT? Did your code work? Sweet, glad I shorted. A small win better than a big loss. If price comes to POI, I have confirmations. I'll take a trade, but I'm not going to actively try scalp or anything. Oh yeah, I hear you. Yes, it's a New York session, but it will be butt cheeks. What? T-Sav? What does that mean? What do you mean it'll be butt cheeks? Oh, it'll... Are you saying it'll be ass? If Roger, I need to be a film about you. Not yet. Only later on, Mikwabe, that's how it works. Yes, okay, cool, that makes sense. That's quite funny. I've just never heard anyone say that before, but I like it. I'm gonna start using that on people. Stop being butt cheeks, and then I'm like, what? Stop being an ass. And guys, it's Fun Fact Friday. Hey, Zartrader, today was a fun day. Oh, today's been chilled. Can't complain about today. You're just in time for Fun Fact Friday. Let's do some fun facts for funsies, right? Sorry, my hair's doing very irritating things. Okay. In 1928, Russian physician Alexander Bogdanov tried to make himself younger by experimenting with blood transfusions. He failed and died due to using diseased blood. Okay, more than 70% of global maple syrup productions comes from Quebec, Canada. That's cool. Weight changes with gravity. For example, a person who weighs 100... Oh, okay. 63.5 kilograms on Earth would weigh roughly 1,719 kilograms on the sun. Yes. Okay, that's not really a fun fact. I feel like that's common knowledge. Anyways, Australians produce twice as much carbon dioxide per person from coal power as Americans and 5 times the global average, emitting 5.89 tons annually. Damn. Okay. Fun fact, the item in the back. Wait, let me read these fun facts quickly. We can put the chart back up while I do. What do you guys think? Maybe this will see if teachers think they're gonna love me. For a second I thought I meant the quote that I said. I was about to be like, there's something wrong in your head. And then unfortunately we're gonna hear about it. What do you call a Russian who has the flu? What? Microwave? Fun fact Friday. Got a fun fact. SpaceX has been training for 1 week now. Another fun fact. It's been roughly 15-20 seconds since my last post. Real fun fact Friday. The guy who invented germ theory and wanted doctors to wash their hands between dealing with the dead and living patients ended up dying due to transfer of germs from the doctor then. I actually saw about this, read about this, I actually read about this, some guy, and weren't people like judging him for having this idea that you have to be clean when dealing with people and patients and wounds? I can't believe I actually made this. Microwave, yep, the doctor that was treating him for a wound, everyone tried. There were germs that could be transferred. I actually read about that. It is super, super interesting. It's weird how things have changed. Okay, let's see. On the 77 Olympians competing in the golf of... Okay, let's try that again. Of the 77 Olympians competing in the golf tournament at the 1904 Summer Olympics, 74 represented the USA and 3 represented Canada. Canada won the gold medal. Okay, that's quite a fun fact. I like that. Eye of newt, toe of frog, and wool of bat are archaic names for mustard seeds, buttercups, and holly leaves. What? Oh, that's cool. Okay. Let's see. 2 more. I'm waiting for a real fun one. A 2015 experimental film titled 100 Years will not be released until the year 2115. Until then, it remains safely locked away in the high-tech safe. Aww. Okay. When Facebook acquired Instagram for $1 billion in April 2012, the company was just 18 months old and had 13 employees. I've seen that. Damn. Okay. Them's the fun facts. Them's the fun facts. Because the charts aren't really going anywhere. He basically went mad because he was so convinced of it, and everyone basically gaslit him into thinking he was wrong. Then ironically died because of exactly what he was calling it. Well, actually to do with infant fatality. Some guy. Obviously not you, but I'm sure you. The Tiger Woods wasn't on the scene yet. It's true. However, the theory then it stands out that she has ideas to prevent infant mortality by birth. But can I get some more appreciation for my amazing joke? Microwave, I read it. I judged it. It was good. It was good. It was good. It was good. I am still judging it though. Okay. That didn't come far enough down. That's top tier bad humor. Mr. Woods got the DUI of the Anyways, do you know what I do find interesting? I can't remember his name. I know that he worked with Freud, and then they split ways because they had different opinions. But he actually went crazy because he believed that there was no such thing as oh, this is gonna a coincidence. Coincidences were not a thing. Like, everything happens and everything is planned. There was no such thing as a coincidence, and he coincidentally went crazy trying to prove that. What do you call a Russian that had a testicle transplant? What? What do you call him? Hey, Umka, what's up? Of course I remember you. How are you doing? Yannick. Oh, look. I'm struggling. I get it. I'm struggling to break up the word here. Okay, I've got it. Yang. Oh, look. Got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. That took me a minute, but I got it. I had to try and break up the word there, but sorry. I feel like I completely ruined your joke by now doing that. Oh, good. Good, good, good. Good, Umka. Right, I'm out. Have a good day. Bye, some guy. Have fun. To be fair, this, yeah. This chip choppy sucks. Let's see here. This would have been, okay, we are on paper, so. Yep. Oh, all the hiccups. I know this is a lot of buying pressure, so this is a bit silly, but I'm trying something. Let's give it a go. Let's give it a go. How's everybody else doing? Is that it? Thank you, it did. That did make it easier. Thank you. Holy moly, the wind is picking up here. Okay, this is gonna be interesting. The wind is picking up solidly. Ooh, what did I do? Is this go for your message? No. Go, okay. Anyways, taking this out of curiosity. Let's see what it does. Has anyone taken any other trades? If I make the trade manager free. Why don't you make it like $1? Then you're getting something. Didn't we ban? I don't think so, no. I don't think we did. Yes, no, maybe? What do you think, OTT? Good actual grief, this wind is going crazy. So, you guys got anything special planned for the weekend? So I feel like, yeah, I feel like there's not much happening right now on the chitty charts. So I guess we chitty chat when there's nothing much on the chitty charts. Or we could also just call it. Let's wait and see what this does and how it reacts. Like I said, the bulls do kind of look like they're... Let's see. Let's see. This is a bullish market right now. Well, it's a sideways bullish market. Let's reiterate. I know quite a few people at this point, so hard to remember. No trades, just a Tokyo buy for the long run. Okay. What the bulls look like. Did I stutter again? I'm gonna see the new Toy Story movie on Saturday. Nice. There's a new Toy Story movie. See, I don't think uh-oh. I didn't even know there was a new Toy Story movie. That's cool. I haven't gone to the movies in a very long time. Maybe that's something I should do. I'm trying to decide. It's between bowling, bowling, ice skating, maybe going to watch a movie. That could be fun. Nah. Like I said, that was a bit of a silly one because the bulls are here. My nephew is obsessed with them. Mom refuses to go to the cinema because it's full of rat. Ew. Okay, so this poll did not really help right now because seriously, I'm looking like a spy today. What does that mean? How do I look like a spy? I would be the world's worst spy. Ow! Okay, anyways, I asked, you know, I did ask this, so is New York AM session open? The yeses have won, but not by a lot. So the yes is won by 67%, and on this side it's won by 73%. So I guess it is open. I specifically said the AM session. I'm aware that the New York PM session is not. Either way, we're gonna hop on, and if it stops at New York Open, then we go, okay, cool, and we leave it at that. I should make a website called Only True Tools. In my journal, you are the only true tool. Copy it and trade. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. It just. Okay, moving on. Copy and trade manager there, and UI update for MT5. MT4 gonna call it Only True UI. Theater is noise. I'm going to mountaintop, drink till blackout with my bros. Okay. I see, bro. Why don't you create into 5 bots the side hustle? You know, you can make Only True Universe. Ooh! Only True Universe works as well. You'd be like Melissa McCarthy in the Spy movie. Yes, I would be. I definitely would be. No, moving on. We all heard you being mean. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm an angel, Chucky. I don't say mean things. Ever. Hold on, I'm not doing parts to figure out scammer stuff. There we go. Okay, OTT didn't hear me, so we're fine. Okay, Shaki, if he didn't hear me, we're good. We're okay. It is Friday. We're allowed to be unhinged on a Friday, especially when the market's not doing anything. Anyways. Flip. I mean, it is moving, just... What did my sad chat? Oh! He actually didn't hear me. Yes. Then it doesn't count. If he didn't hear me, it didn't happen. I don't make the rules. Only two. Damn, guys, the wind is a little bit scary now. Sorry. We were supposed to go for a walk, but I don't really want to get blown away. That doesn't sound like fun. I'm just making tools to help traders either make life easier for them, and that's all I'm doing, of course, with the struggles I've been through. Aww, OTT. See, now I'm definitely not telling you what I said because I was mean. I mean, I'm never mean. What? OTT feel you, bro. I mean, OTT, if you do want to charge something, why don't you just then charge $1? Or maybe $2. I don't know. Resist. Okay. See how it reacts now that it tapped into that fair value gap. Is it going to bounce back down? Are we gonna just get this continuation back up now? Yeah, what's the plan here? Never mind, he's doing it for CFD traders, doesn't matter. Wow. Damn. Ollie a hater. $5 if you give a swing button. Ooh, there we go. There we go. Microwave, it's both. Your future's got everything to make your life easier. Have you seen what Ninja Trader has? Well, why don't you go and look at how much these things normally cost? What do you want to charge? I mean, you put the work in. I think that's my CS. I've seen it, right? Tapped into this fair value gap. So let's see how it do react here. Bruh. That would have missed me. I was looking at that thinking, shoot, actually this was low-key an A+ setup, low-key. I don't think I would have risked taking it, but it was an A+. May have not tagged me in. Charging makes me feel bad. I'm doing this for the love of the game. I guess. I load up Ninja Trade in the morning and my stresses instantly fade away every day. Yeah, HomeCard's getting worse. It's getting worse. There's a wind that's picking up. And the boss is the worst you can paint. Set me home. OTT ain't getting. I get a pink. I guess. But OTT is just a sweetie pie. Stop making me feel bad for being a bully earlier. Gosh. 543. Okay. Week below 633. Yeah, guys, this is not ideal right now. So it as a package deal for $20. So one guy charging like $200 for his trade manager. Whoa. Okay, maybe not $200, but sure. Again, you did put all the time and effort and energy into it, so you know, maybe don't charge a lot, but charge something. And copy go for $10 for like 2 connections. Okay. Okay, wait. We're still helping OTT. When we're done helping OTT, I think I'm gonna call it, guys. At least I got a little whoop whoop in. Little one. Better than nothing. Oh well. People have a bargain. Sonia, you say 644 is a pending level. Why? Just because of the fair value gap? I mean, it did reject off of it quite nicely. You can still trade futures today. That's cool. Hey, what's up, Mark? Yeah, you can. Even New York Open is open. I think there's debates about that. Either way, I'll be here. If I'm not mistaken, charts are only closing from, let's say 12 p.m. EST time. So it is open at 9:30 EST. I don't have my just likes. Huh? That was a really good rejection of that fair value gap. Damn. Doesn't mean the price action is going to be good today, though, Mark. Probably not, but let's see. I think I'll probably try for the trade manager. I don't know. Copy can be free in yeah, guys, I'm gonna call it. I'm calling it here today because this is going sideways, and I won't be able to get anything else in today, so it's fine. I have a donate if you want to help me. Aww, OTT. Okay, there we go. Like I said, I'm gonna call it there. We are a little bit green today. That was unexpected, but yay. I love you guys madly. Thanks for joining. I will be back later for New York. Let's see if it gives us something. It might have absolutely nothing because it is a bank holiday and I know a lot of people aren't going to be trading, but let's see. Okay, so I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to press that like button. See you for New York. If you guys want discounts on your prop firm account thingies, you know what to do. Okay, teach Maya all caps, no gaps. Okay, I love you guys madly. See you on the flippity flop. Bye, guys.